So, can the iPhone have two iCloud accounts? Well, let me explain what is possible and what isn't. So, if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe right now so you never miss anything important. So, the official answer is no, right? Because if you go to the settings, you have to have like account at the top of the list. You can see that I'm signed in with this one, and it's like the only one I can use, but within the settings, even though we can use a different one slightly differently, right? But inside of the settings, the main Apple account, you use to make your payments, download apps, right? Media purchases, family sharing, iCloud. We can only have one account for like the whole phone. However, let's say you have two iCloud accounts and you want to quickly check some information from one, even though you are signed in with this one, you would like to see emails or, I don't know, notes from a different iCloud account. And in that case, you can technically do it, but through the web version of iCloud. So if you go to the Safari and literally type in iCloud.com, you'll be asked to sign in. But once you go through the sign in process, you type in your email, password, perhaps two-factor authentication, but you can then get inside and manage things like the photos, right? The drive, the iCloud drive, or as I said, in notes, whatever, right? Or email. That's actually very useful. You can literally just work with your email, which I'm not saying is like super convenient or useful, but you can access your iCloud mail even from a different account, right? On the same iPhone. So even though we have one inside of the settings, you can access another one in the Safari browser. Again, I'm not saying it's the most convenient thing ever, but yeah, it kind of gets the job done. You can come back and also see the photos, for example, right? And you can access your pictures if you have them stored there, right? So that's like the whole point. And that is the only way you can add or have like two iCloud accounts on your phone. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later.